We've had to bring it indoors because it's a little bit cold outside there, people, but look at that. Jesus Christ, it looks good now, man. Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. We're outside in the garden. Another recipe for you today. Today we are cooking something called Jangga soup. So Jangga soup is a Jamaican crayfish or crawfish soup. You understand? Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. You don't know, I've got the link for the crayfish now. But in Jamaica, some people call them Jangga. So crayfish, Jangga, Jangga soup, crayfish soup. That's what we're doing today. We're outside. Of course, we're loading up the coal pot there to get started. But yeah, the sky is not looking great, people. It's looking all right over there, but not over there. So hopefully this don't cause us too much problem. Ingredients. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to tell you the ingredients that I've got, but what it should be originally. So, your Scotch bonnet, your onion, your garlic, your scallion, carrots, Jangga, obviously. See them there? Good vibes. Now, obviously, they're the things that go in every traditional Jangga soup. I've got a sweet pepper. They usually use... what do they call them? You know, the little green round ones. Christophine. I think some people call it Christophine, some call other things. Yellow yam, usually, but we're going to use some Irish potato. I couldn't get no yellow yam. The only other thing would be is green banana, but we don't have a green banana either. So this is what we're working with today. We've got some seasonings. Chuck a couple pimento seed in there. We've got some Maggi seasoning. We've got a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Season up the water with, you know what I'm saying? Our good vibes, people, we're fully active. That's not looking good up there. I hope it holds that. The first thing we're gonna do is get a little bit of boil your water. You want some water first of all, people. We're gonna put a couple scallion, the onion, scallion, pimento seed in first. As I'm waiting for the coal to build up out there, I'm not wasting no time. I'm gonna get everything together inside quickly. So I've just put my pimento seed and I've put my scallion in there already. I'm now gonna cut up the onion and garlic and get that straight in. Now I've got 3 cloves of garlic, people. Gonna put that straight in and then chop up the onion before we get the dry seasonings inside. There's the cherry tree, people. I remember I went to show you in one episode and it just went blank. Yeah, the cherries that they're there. I think they're there. They're just turning red now. There might even be some done already. But tell Mr. Cloud to move, man. Don't mash up the thing. Yeah, standing we're nearly ready with the coal. Yeah, that is it, people. Do you know what? I think we might have got lucky. I think it's moved over that way. I think it's gone over there. But yeah, we're active. Scallion, onion, all them things in it. Right, let's add some onion to this. Yes, people. So I'm just gonna get some onion in there. Remember, it's soup, you know. You ain't gotta have the onion and the scallion and everything there chopped a certain way. You know, as long as it's in there and we're getting the flavour in there, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to put my Scotch bonnet in too early because I don't want it to be too spicy. So for the moment, onion, scallion, we got our garlic, natural seasonings, pimento seed, and then we're gonna add our dry seasonings next. Once we finished putting in the onion. Good vibes, people. Seasoning time, people. I'm gonna put this whole pack, even though it's chicken seasoning, you know, still work. So chicken seasoning, we're gonna get that whole packet inside there. Also, we are gonna get all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Season up. We're gonna get a good piece of that in there. So I don't even want to sprinkle that. I want to put that in there like that. Good piece of seasoning in there. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna put a little bit of the special all-purpose in there. Can't let you know that one. That's a secret one there, people. You have to work that out yourself. Nice. And I'm gonna chuck some Old Bay in there as well. Good vibes. We'll give that stir up and see how it's looking. So how it's looking, people. Season up. Understand? Yes. So next we're going to put the lid on, let that just combine together whilst we get our potatoes, sweet potato. We've got our Irish, our little sweet potato and carrots. Like I say, usually it's carrot, green banana and yellow yam. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I think I might chuck the Scotch bonnet in from now as well, actually. Yeah, that is it. All right, people. Fully active. Yo, there's one thing. God's on our side today, people. If you look up in the sky over there, yeah, that cloud's gone. See the sunshine? It said today can make us go on. You know what I'm saying? Straight out the water, wash up your vegetables. You understand? Just gonna chop this straight in. Yeah, that is it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing, people. Hype up the video and like it. You see me? I don't think we're gonna need more than one. It's quite a thick carrot. I don't think we're gonna need more than that, to be honest. No. Oh, it smells amazing. And there's something about cooking on the coal stove outside that just makes the food taste better. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the vibes, maybe it's the energy, maybe it's the love that you put into it when you cook it outside. I'm not sure what it is, but it's our vibes. It's our cooking vibes. I feel like I'm making a mistake putting this sweet potato in, people, because it's too much of a different flavour to what I'm looking for. So we're not going to put the sweet potato in. If you can get green banana and yellow yam, put that in. We've got enough carrot in already. Irish potato. And need some dumplings. Yeah, you're going to need some dumplings in your Jangga soup. The sky looks mad, doesn't it? We're fully active. Can get your dumplings then ready from now, people. For these spinners, we call them spinners, you're going to use plain flour. Yeah, you don't want to use self-raising flour like you would fried dumplings, because they're just going to expand crazy in your soup. So plain flour, a bit of salt, you get me, that is it. Water, blend up that, and I'll show you how we're going to put them in. Yeah, I'm gonna get my spinner dumplings in from now, people. Let me put the lid that side. Put that there for a sec. And what I'm gonna do is I'll show you. So a little piece like that. Roll it into a ball. Plop. Show you what it looks like before I drop it in. Roll it into a ball. Roll it with your palm like that. So it's like that, and that is a spinner dumpling. So let's gonna get these in here now. Good vibes.
Smells really good.
Smells amazing, people. Honestly, it's something about cooking outside. It's just so different. so nice. This is gonna be amazing. All right. All right, people. Irish next. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get our Irish potatoes in there and then make that guan. The only other thing that we're gonna be putting in is the janga. Yeah, crawfish, whatever you want to call them. So our good vibes. If you ain't pressed that like button, please do. Hype up the video. We're outside. You know the code already, people. Big up all my real cooking vibers. Love you lot. That is it. As I'm peeling my potatoes, straight into the ground. Yeah, everything goes back to nature in this garden. We don't waste nothing. You understand? Straight back to nature. Help them banana and that grabber grow. You can buy that big bumper class. Oh, have a look what's going on inside here. Oh my days, look at that. Irish, carrot, spinners. See the spinners them there? Yeah. Everything in there. The Scotch bonnet has not burst, which is good. We don't want it too spicy, you understand? Scallion, everything in there. People, I can just make this guan now. Literally just make this guan. The only other thing I'm gonna put in is the janga. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Look at these. Look, they got big, that one's, ooh, that's a chunky one. Look at this one, people. Oh, look at them claws on that. That's gonna be a good bit of meat in that one there. So yeah, it is time to put the janga in, people. The last one, oh, this one's lost his claw. Oh no, maybe his claw's in there. Oh, maybe it ain't, maybe we've lost it. Oh, it is, look. There's his claw. Crazy little things. I call them little lobsters. Oh look, it looks like he's having a wee. What is that? What is going on? What is that? Listen, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's go. Let's get the janga inside. Yeah, good vibes. Mad and mean. Yeah. Can't forget that one claw there. And that is it, people. Yeah. Leave this now for like 8 minutes. And that's good. That'll be done. We've had to bring it indoors because it's a little bit cold outside there, people. But look at that. Jesus Christ, it looks good now, man. Janga soup and a manga soup. Let's have a look what's going on inside there. Look, Irish janga there, carrot, spinners. Jesus Christ. Yeah, there we go, people. This is pretty much done now. It's pretty much done now, people. Good vibes. Mad. Look at that, people. It is ready to go. Everything is ready. Good vibes. There we go, people. Yeah, let's taste this. Taste time, people. That's amazing. Oh, that's so good. Look, I'm going to put this down for a sec, people. Pull off get my janga. Pull off the towel there. And open that up. Yeah. Get that outside there. Hold on 1 sec, people. It's mad. All that juice with a bit of carrot. I'm spilling it all over the floor. This recipe was inspired by this little roadside stall in Jamaica. Janga soup. Crazy. People are going to enjoy this. See you next time. See that meat out the towel there? Good vibes. We've got some langoustines as well, but that's a different episode. Good vibes, man. Mmm. And you can just like squeeze the claws, people. Just break them again. You see me? Get a little bit of meat out of there as well.